Hey, welcome back to Lemon Cone. Today we are making a delicious panini chicken sandwich, but with our own unique twist. We'll be grilling them up in a regular grill pan. So grab your apron and let's dive in. First up, let's tackle our panini bread. In a bowl, combine flour, salt, sugar, and instant yeast. Mix them, then add in oil or melted butter and gradually pour in warm water and knead it until you have a soft dough. Cover and let it rest for 1 to 2 hours until it rises. While our dough is rising, it's a perfect time to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss out on our mouth-watering recipes. While our dough is doing its things, let's prepare our chicken stuffing. Take boneless chicken strips and season them with salt, black pepper powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, paprika powder, white vinegar, soy sauce, and hot sauce or sriracha sauce. Give it a good mix and let it marinate for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, in a pan, heat up some oil and cook the marinated chicken until tender. Add in sliced onion and julienne cut capsicum. Saute for 2 minutes and add some ketchup in it. While the chicken is cooking, take a moment to appreciate the aroma filling your kitchen. Once our dough has risen, punch it down and dive it into our 4 equal pieces. Roll each piece into an oval shape and let it rest for 5 minutes. Then cook them on a pan for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. This step ensures that our bread is perfectly crisp on the outside and soft from the inside. Now it's time to assemble our sandwich. Cut the bread and spread some mayonnaise, grated cheddar cheese, prepared chicken, and mozzarella cheese. First, grease the pan with butter. Grill them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. While the sandwiches are grilling, you can almost taste the savory goodness waiting for you. And there you have it, a mouth-watering panini chicken sandwich ready to be devoured. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and leave your feedback in the comment box below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling.